You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. Yes, from the manga anime, The Waitress, hostess of fertility. If you want to learn more confusing names like this one, stay tuned. The Japanese pronunciation is Ryuu of her first name. Therefore, it's Ryuu. It means dragon in Japanese. And then her last name is Lion, of course. The Japanese would say lion. Ryuu Lion. Ryuu Lion. Therefore, Ryuu Lion. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.